LeetCode 605 can place flowers. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. This is one of the problems that I told you we were trying to solve when the power was out and I didn't save it and changing over to hard drives, so just a big mess. So this is what we're looking at today. So it's a very interesting problem set. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So we're going through during our live streams every day, and we're solving the LeetCode 75s because I'm trying to fill in any gaps that I have for any possible job interviews. So, and there are plenty of gaps that I have. So we're going through these. So this challenge is very interesting. It's a Boolean return if we can place a number of ones in a array flower bed. So the criterion is you can't have two ones beside each other. So in this first example, in is 1. So can we place 1, 1 in here with this criteria? And the answer is true. Now, same size flower bed, we need to place 2 ones in this flower bed. And that is false, because if we place a 1 here, we cannot place a second one here or here. And if we place 1 here, we already are violating being beside another 1, and then same thing here. So this returns false. So we began to go through and design an algorithm that I thought was pretty crafty, but ended up being wrong. We took n minus 1 times 2. That was a pretty good formula to basically replicate this for 1 and 3 for 3 for 1, 5 for 2, 7 for, see how we were going up. No, it's n, I can't remember, but it was all wrong. So then we built that. Then we found out that we did have an exception. We had multiple exceptions here. Bookends. So when you're on either end and you have a 0 on that side, that is okay. So now we had these 3 scenarios, and we thought we were just ready to go. Then we ran into the one that I loved. If it is length of 1 and it's a 0, it can change because it is bookended. It is one item, so you can change it to 1. So that was our 4th. So I thought we were definitely rocking and rolling and off to a great start. And then we got n equals 0. So there's actually, out of all this, there are actually 5 scenarios to accomplish this goal. So then what we did is we iterated through each one, checked these scenarios, and then if we got to n equals 0, or what we were doing is we then decremented n by 1 for each one that we placed in, and we were either looking ahead or looking behind or checking this scenario. So it was a very interesting algorithm, but this is very slow, and I'll show you. It's down here. So I did have a brainstorm that there's probably a way. So this is all under one if condition, and if you think about it, if we're here and we slide over, let's go back here. If this is a 0 and this is a 0, and we're going to change this to a 1 and this was a 0, we would automatically jump to here. So we can probably rewrite this as some sort of while loop and control how many places we move over. Because if this is a 0 and this is a 0 and this is a 0, we move over 1. Now, or we could go through and iterate by 2s. But there is a pretty good algorithm, and I kind of sketched it down on print, but I did not design it here because I want everyone here to have the opportunity to see if they can take this and optimize it even farther. Because like I showed you, here's a solve, and looks like this is a pretty good response right here, but there are some outliers of even faster. So I have this down in the description below, so you can go and check it out. But please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and if you can reach and attend any of these live streams that we're doing, You'll benefit from seeing how we work through it. We communicate with chat and Discord, and also make sure you're jumping down on the Discord down below so your journey of Python and SQL and data is not alone, so you can get all the help that you need and deserve. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.